Today I want to share how do you make, I call it the skinny coffee. It's been coined as the bulletproof coffee from Dave Asprey. So I'm going to show you the really basic way that you make it. All you do is you brew your coffee the way you regularly do. I would choose organic coffee beans, and all you do is you pour it in a blender, and you can add just a couple things to it. Here's some grass-fed butter. You want to make sure it's grass-fed instead of just the regular butter. So the other thing is one tablespoon of this MCT oil. There's so many different brands. I've tried several of them, so here's one. And the other thing that I add, and you can add it too, is some liquid stevia, just if you like a sweetness to it. And that's it. You put all three of them in a blender, you blend it, and it comes out like a cappuccino. That's the simple bulletproof coffee or skinny coffee because of the added fat in there, and the fat's just to help you stay full. I personally add a couple other things to it, so I'm going to show you. One is, well, this is coconut milk, but there is a coconut cream. I don't have the can in front of me, but you can add a little bit of coconut cream because it just makes it even creamier. Or you can even add some coconut butter in there, and it gives it more of a sweeter taste. And or, because I add a little bit of everything, some grass-fed ghee butter. So you can also get these. These are also available online on Thrive Market, some of the local grocery stores. So I do have a link on my website for Thrive Market, but some of the local grocery stores have it as well. So it's pretty easy. The other thing that you can do if you're not a coffee drinker is just brew some tea. And instead of putting the butter in the tea, you could put the MCT oil in the tea, and because it doesn't taste like anything, and put some lemon in there. So I like to make like a raspberry tea, and then I'll just squeeze some lemon in there and put some MCT oil. And the purpose, once again, the MCT oil just gives you energy. It lights up your brain, but it also keeps you satiated. So that's an easy thing that you can do and start incorporating that. Okay, so on the next video, I am going to show you some of the healthy fats that you can be consuming right now for healthy hormones, for great skin, hair, but also to keep you satiated and to help you lose the weight more right here in the waist, because that's where most of us hold on to our weight because of the cortisol. I call it cortisol belly fat. So yeah, we're going to do that on the next video. Okay, till next time.